Ooh, okay, so today we have a brand new on the year 2026 RAV4 from Ed Morris. It came in today to get a 2-inch TORQ lift kit, skid plate, Pro Comp wheels, wrapped and knitted grapplers. Now, as you can see, we're taking the TPMS sensors out and putting them back into the new wheels. As you can see behind me, the RAV4 is on the alignment rack. We have finished the wheels, tires, suspension, and the skid plate. We're still waiting on the roof rack, but this build is almost finished. But first, let's head over to Zen Auto Concepts to get the front end PPF'd, while Krash Wraps go ahead and puts a gloss black wrap on the front and rear bumper. This 2026 RAV4 now looks wild, and even wilder is that this SUV is headed to the port for the US Virgin Islands. What a unique build.